Hello, teacher and everyone. My name is Samuel Torres. I would like to present my homework reading exercises for a complex exam. So basically, this homework is with AI. AI give me a lot of exercises. I just choose two of them. In this video, we're going to explain it and compare it then a little bit. Let's start for the first exercise, graphic organizer completion. So those exercises are basically after the reading because the student needs to understand well what he read for do these things. So this first one, it's basically a graphic organizer given from teacher, but this graphic organizer is empty. It's, it's just set it up so the student needs to do the process of thinking in a coherent way. So it primarily assesses the organization and understanding of ideas. Unlike answering questions, here student must identify how ideas relate to each other. Let's see some examples. Well, one example. In the first, you could see what is that student uh, receive. It's a graphic organizer just with the title, and then he needs to uh, find those ideas that could fit with the reading. The second exercise is information transfer. So this is almost the same, but in here the student choose the way he do that. So after reading, after understanding well what he read, then a student choose a form to transform what he read in paragraph in a whole text and transform the information in a presentation. Maybe it could be like a table, a diagram, a timeline, a concept map, could be whatever of this. So in the last exercise, a student needs to feel something that it set it up. In this, he needs to uh, choose their own structure. So as well as this exercise is very open, the student needs a steps like this, like set goals, make a plan with a main idea, with examples. So a student could be supported by these steps. So what these skills assess: the reading comprehension, the organization of ideas, the identifying relationships between concepts, categorization of information, and summarizing information. But actually, this is what they both assess. But what is the point of the fuse is actually the process of thinking. As I said, in the graphic organizer, a student has a way to run, but in the information transfer, he needs to make that way. So those were the activities I chose. Thank you so much for your attention. This is all for me.